Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all, and I will have to say, starting this video off, this has to stop. Again, this has to stop. A lot of these people online, you could go back on their Instagram page, TikTok page, Facebook page, and just look what they was doing 2-3 years ago in the credit space. I will tell you, out the gate, 9 out of 10 of them was doing credit repair. They were saying, hey, if you have a collection on there, if you have a late payment on there, I could sweep it. I could sweep this in 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. If you have inquiries, I could get them all off in 24 hours. And as time went on, people was getting hip to a lot of stuff and was finding out they could fix the credit themselves. So a lot of them moved on. And the new play, I would say for the last year and a half, is that I could get you funded on the personal side and I could get you funded on the business side, right? Now I'm gonna tell you, this is all cap. People are wasting their time. I'm gonna tell you that right now. The thing of people getting charged 10%, 12%, 15%, 20%. Damn! To get you approved for some credit cards on the personal side is outrageous. This has to stop. Listen to me clearly. This has to stop. And people that are accepting this, that's because they're so thirsty for some credit cards and going out to get some approvals, which you could do it yourself. I show you every day on this channel if you've been following me for years. So let's explain the downside of I could get you funded on the personal side, right? This is what I take of it, right? All they're gonna do is look at your credit report, see your credit score, look at your credit report, right? They wanna see what accounts you got reporting on TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, right? See if they could, in their words, get you funded, right? So once they wanna move forward, all they're gonna do is credit card stack, right? They might apply for 3 different cards on Experian, 3 different cards on Equifax, and 3 different cards on TransUnion. And then they'll go with, whatever is the highest one, that's the one they're gonna go with. So I recently started working with somebody, helping them structure their business profile the proper way, right? So this lady recently just told me a story. Prior to finding my channel, she was working with somebody. She seen somebody on Instagram saying that they could get you funded, right? They went over her credit report, like I said. She pretty much had a decent score. She had a 690 credit score, basically all across all 3 credit bureaus. It was like 690, 695, and a 698. So she pretty much had decent scores. She was close to that 700 mark to actually go out there and get some high limit credit cards on the personal side, right? They charged her 15%, right, for whatever approval they got. So when they stacked, again, 3 different credit cards on each credit bureaus, they got approved for 2 cards, right? When they got approved for 2 cards, it was one for 50,000 Chase, and then they got a Citizen 50,000, right? So she had $100,000 between 2 credit cards, right? When she got that, they charged her the 15%, right? Which is at $100,000, $15,000. So out the gate, 15,000 is wiped out of that 100,000, right? She had a vision. She's trying to start a small breakfast spot with about $60,000 in this small location that she's going to start over in the inner city. So that was her ultimate vision. But she got the 100,000. She got invoiced for 15,000. We're left her with 85,000, right? Before she got to do anything with the 2 credit cards, right? Before she got to do anything, 30 days later, she opened up her app and noticed that her Citizen went from $50,000 to $8,000. And this is what's happening. 15,000 for 100,000 between 2 credit cards, right? Brought it down to 85,000, and the Citizen cut it all the way down. So now she's almost down to square one and basically don't even have the money to start her small business. could get your own funding with building out your personal credit the proper way, going to banks, build relationship with people in the bank, get credit utilization under 10%, make sure you don't have no collections, make sure you don't have no charge-offs, make sure it's looking good, and go out there and apply for your own credit cards and get your own money. I have a video that I did years ago where I show you if you want to do credit card stacking. I'm not a big fan of it. Have I did in the past? Absolutely yes. Have I showed people how to do it? Absolutely yes. You could do it yourself. It's simple. Long as that personal credit is in the right position, you could do your own credit card stacking. You could do 2 cards on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and then make your choice with the highest credit card that you want to go through. You could do it yourself. Build your own relationship with your bank and keep your utilization low. You could do this all yourself. Why are you out here paying people 10, 12, 15, and 20% to get you approved for credit cards when you could do it yourself? This pretty much got me upset because there's a lady I'm working with now, and her vision, her dreams, what she's trying to do is kind of crushed right now because of following people that's telling you I could get you funded but want to charge you 10, 12, 15, 20% out the gate. 100,000 turned into 85,000. One of the cars went from 50,000 to $8,000 in 30 days. So now she don't even have the money to complete her business plan, what she's trying to do. You need to stop being lazy and start doing it yourself. I got my free ebook on the personal side. I got my free ebook on the business side. Start working on your own credit and building it out the proper way. Build relationship with these banks, keep your utilization low, and go out there and apply for your own credit cards. Put it in the position, go get your own money, and stop having these people telling you, I could fund you on the personal and the business. I'm not even gonna get on the business side. I might do a separate video for that. I got a devastating story where somebody lost about $200,000. That's a whole nother story I'm gonna get into in a video in the next couple weeks. I'm gonna break it all down, see if I can bring them here online, do a Zoom call with me, and they can explain everything themselves so you can understand. Start building everything yourself. I'm stressing it. I got the free ebooks on my site right here for y'all for free. It should be no excuse. Somebody's out there giving your information to people, right? Out there giving your information to people, and all they doing is credit card stack and talking about, I'm getting you funded. We need to stop being lazy. We need to do the work. Go get my ebook for free. Fix your credit. Run it up over 700, build that relationship, and go get your own approvals and stop paying these people money. Like, comment, subscribe, but for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.